I hope you enjoyed the first series on chartered accountancy and found it useful. To give you some more insights on the kind of career options we have, I requested Sonu, who's currently a partner at Ernst & Young, one of the big four audit and consulting firms that you might have heard about, to talk about her career journey. How did she start off as a chartered accountant, and what have been the drivers of success for her?
So see, platform is great. The curriculum is so intense, the amount of hard work and grind that goes in before you become a chartered accountant. Really, the 360-degree exposure to corporate tax, personal tax, indirect tax, corporate finance, the information technology. I think it really prepares you to be able to get into an organization, start functioning from day one. Of course, you will choose eventually where you want to focus, but it helps you identify a vast number of business challenges as you're dealing with clients. What you need as an individual who's on the journey to becoming a chartered accountant is loads of curiosity, the thirst for knowledge, the ability, the problem-solving abilities, and the right attitude, which is the key to success anywhere and everywhere. So like any other newly qualified accountant, at that point of time, the decision was whether to join the industry or look for a chartered accountancy firm. My good fortune and God's grace, I landed at Ernst & Young and I've never looked back since. So I started by doing bookkeeping, taxation for expatriates of multinational employees, focused on personal and employee taxation, picked up skills around Foreign Exchange Management Act. All of that was happening, I think, but what really stands out, and if I were to look at what really was helpful in my career, was the curiosity, the keenness to learn, build on subject matter expertise, the thirst and hunger for knowledge, walking up to seniors you knew better to form a point of view. Then, of course, client management skills, looking up to my partners, my mentors, and who really stood out as examples of how client centricity and bringing the best knowledge and best solutions to the clients is really what is most helpful in our careers. So I lead the People Advisory Services business for EY in India, and for a bit of a context, People Advisory Services is our combined business for HR consulting, plus immigration, social security, employee mobility, personal tax. So it's a vast remit, but what I love about it is that people are at the center of everything. So in doing my job, what does my job look like? So I'm dealing with organizations, senior executives, working back with them on planning their taxes, being tax compliant, being compliant with changing labor law regulations. So, and in doing so, I think what is most important is being on top of the subject, right? You need to know your subject well. Subject matter expertise is very important. Then, as you grow older in your career, the client management skills, understanding the client's needs, rather than what you have today to say. It's more about the client. What are you listening to them? What are their challenges, and how you're helping them resolve those challenges as a professional is what my job is about.
Thanks a lot, Sonu. It was lovely hearing to you. And to all the young aspirants and young chartered accountants who heard this session, I'd like to just reiterate a few points that we've been talking about over and over again, and Sonu also touched upon these. Hard work, not being very choosy, networking, a hunger for knowledge, and really doing your job well. Attitude, as she said, the right winning attitude are what really differentiates one person from another and are the keys to success. So as you're pursuing your CA journey, do not just sit alone at home or be buried in your books. Upskill yourself, reach out to people, understand what they are doing so that you can map out a nice career chart for yourself, and keep working hard. All the best.